Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a PC with sound. First, let's get ready. Make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has enough battery life, or keep a USB cable handy. You'll also need to check if your computer has Bluetooth, which is essential for wireless play. Getting these basics sorted will make the rest of the setup super smooth and quick. We're aiming for a seamless gaming experience, so let's dive in. Now let's connect your controller. For a wired setup, simply plug your micro USB cable into the controller and then into an available USB port on your computer. It's usually plug and play. If you prefer wireless, hold down the share button and the PlayStation button on your controller simultaneously until the light bar flashes rapidly. Then, on your PC, go to your Bluetooth settings, find Wireless Controller, and click to pair. Easy peasy. To get the most out of your controller, especially for sound, we recommend using DS4 Windows. This free software helps your PC recognize the PlayStation 4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, which many games support natively. Once installed, open DS4 Windows and confirm your controller is detected. Then, for sound, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, go to Sound Settings, and choose Wireless Controller as your output device. Finally, it's time to test everything out. Open your favorite game or a controller testing website to confirm all buttons, triggers, and joysticks are working perfectly. Also, double-check your in-game audio settings to make sure the sound is coming through your controller's headphone jack. If you encounter any hiccups, try restarting DS4 Windows or your computer. Sometimes, a quick reboot is all it takes to resolve minor connection issues. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.